Hi, my name is Melissa. I like to sew, therefore I upload sewing related videos. If you are new here, hey. And if you are a returning subscriber, hello. And I am excited to share with you where we left off on my previous video from the Sew Maxi for Mother's Day challenge, and I'm very excited. I will link some cards up here if you are new so you can see other videos of mine, and I will also put them down in the description box. So again, thank you so much for coming back, and let's get into it. I went ahead and grabbed my Joni Jumpsuit bodice pieces. It's only 2 pieces, but I really think that this is easy, and it makes your bodice look really professional. I really love the cut. Originally, I did try to self-draft. I did make a different dress. You can go ahead and check me out on Instagram to see what the previous dress looked like, but it started to look like a gown, and I did not like that. Therefore, I went ahead and got new fabric at Joann's. I changed up what I wanted in my dress, and here we are. I sewed all of the pieces together of the Joni jumpsuit, and it really started to come out super cute. I wasn't sure how I was going to close it up, or if how I was going to make the ties. I still wanted my dress to have ties. I love outfits that you have to tie, or that have the illusion that it was tied together. I don't know why. I just really like that look. I think it's really a fast way to put an outfit together and still make it look kind of cute and trendy. I'm not sure, but I really like that style. I'm just pinning my bodice, so I'm done with my bodice now. I'm done with the 4 pieces of the Joni jumpsuit top. Now I'm working on my skirt. This one was a bit tricky because I wasn't sure if I wanted just a straight, rectangle skirt, if I wanted to make it a gathered skirt again. I wasn't sure, but after playing with it for a while, so I cut one piece, and now I'm going to go ahead and cut the next piece so it can be a front and a back. I was still unsure on how to do the skirt. I didn't know if a gathered skirt fits my rectangle body figure. I personally really loved the end result. Here I'm just playing with it, I'm messing with it, being a little silly. I don't know, this was the real process of me trying to figure it out. I do stick pins in myself. I've never stuck my body yet, but I have struck my fingers whenever I pin like this, especially when I'm going towards the back, because everything is pinned. My DIY mannequin is awesome, but not right now. Sometimes I just really like to look in the mirror and see how it's going to turn out. By the way, if you guys are wondering what the orange stick is in the background, it's my mobility stick. It helps me keep a straight back and helps me with stretches when I'm working out. If I am too long like this sitting and sewing, I get up and grab my mobility stick, and it helps me keep my spine aligned. So that's what it is, in case you were wondering. Here I did decide to gather the skirt. Wow, that's not an attractive pose of mine, but this is what sewing looks like. I did decide to gather the skirt. I went ahead and folded over the side seams so that they would have a nice finished look. And now here I'm trying on the skirt one more time, and now it's just 2 separate pieces that I need to attach, and I really liked it. That was supposed to be a bit more dramatic, but it wasn't. Sorry, guys. I'm cutting 2-inch by 2-inch squares like this. Ignore this one because it's torn. Maybe I'll use it, maybe I won't. And I am folding them over, sewing them across here. Wow, that actually works. Sewing them across, and once I sew them across, I am turning them inside out gently, like so, and then I am folding them over once more. So then I've turned it inside out, right? Now I'm folding it in the middle, and folding it one more, and then I sew that across. Maybe you can see this one better. And once I sew that across, the dark side gets folded over, and now it creates this loop for the lace. And this is what's going to go inside the fabric when I sew the bodice closed. See that? And that's what I'm doing right now. So this is what I have for the back. I went ahead and I actually sewed 4, and I'm gonna put an elastic here, but I might sew the last one here. I don't know if I should. I think I'm gonna keep it at 3, put the elastic here and see how it looks, and then if I don't like how the tie looks, then I'm going to go ahead and, well, I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now, and then I'll probably record some of it. So yeah, sewing straps is not hard, but it is something that takes the longest, just trying to get all the straps together. And I didn't want to cut a huge strip all the way down my yards of fabric, because this fabric was a bit pricey at Joann's. Therefore, I just went ahead and cut this section so that I didn't mess with the other yards of fabric that I have, so that I can make a different outfit that I have in mind. And I cut this, and then I sewed them together, and I folded them over all the sewed pieces, cut the one sewn strip. I'm going to go ahead and fix all the little issues, and you guys will see that now. Thank you to T and Crystal for hosting such a fun challenge that challenged me to sew a maxi dress for the first time. I will have both of their information down in the description box. Thank you again so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like my dress. I actually really love it. My husband loves it. My kids love it. I love my dress. But yeah, other than that, you guys, make it a good day, week, and month, and don't forget to make it a great year. Okay, I will see you in a bit. Bye.